This tutorial will show you how to quickly secure your website by loading the security presets in WP Ghost. After activating the plugin, go to the WP Ghost Backup and Restore section. Here, you will find preset options for different levels of security and features that you can activate. The first preset is ideal if your server doesn't allow custom path configurations. Other presets offer options from enhanced plugin compatibility to maximum security. Once you load a preset, you will see all the custom paths, features, and settings that are applied for that preset. You can also customize all the settings and paths later. Scroll down to Load Preset and click to activate it. Run a front-end test and a login test to ensure the new paths are loaded correctly and that you can log in successfully. If the new paths are loaded correctly, clear the cache and click on the Yes, It's Working button to confirm the new settings. That's it! You've successfully configured the plugin in just 1 minute.